Hello and welcome to our video on the changes to and the end of fixed-term tenancies. Another major change under the Renters' Rights Act is the end of traditional fixed-term assured shorthold tenancies. Instead, tenancies are moving towards assured periodic tenancies, often referred to as rolling tenancies. That means tenants can remain in the property indefinitely unless a valid legal possession ground applies. Tenants will also be able to leave by giving 2 months' notice, which creates a very different structure to the traditional fixed-term tenancy model many landlords have been used to for years. So what are we doing about it as agents? We have already reviewed and updated our tenancy documentation and management processes to prepare for these reforms. Any new tenancies have now been completely rewritten to comply with the new legislation and have been professionally reviewed by a solicitor to ensure they remain legally compliant and up to date. That includes transitioning our tenancy structures from traditional assured shorthold tenancy agreements to compliant assured periodic tenancy agreements where required. We've also reviewed every tenancy we currently manage to ensure compliance with the new legislation and to confirm how legal documents can be validly served to tenants, whether that's via email or by post, depending on the wording and clauses within each tenancy agreement. We're also updating tenancy agreements and compliance procedures, explaining the changes clearly to both landlords and tenants, helping landlords prepare for longer-term tenancy management, reviewing rent review dates and legal notice procedures, and ensuring tenancy records and documentation remain fully compliant. Another important legal requirement under the new legislation is the issuing of the official government information leaflet to tenants. As agents, we're handling this process on behalf of our landlords to ensure compliance. That means we have issued or are in the process of issuing the required renters' rights information leaflet to every applicable tenant as part of the tenancy transition process, either electronically or by post where appropriate. This is extremely important because failure to provide required documentation could impact compliance and possession proceedings later down the line. These reforms are creating a major shift towards longer-term, more structured tenancy management. For landlords, that means planning ahead, maintaining proper records and ensuring ongoing compliance throughout the tenancy. We understand these reforms can feel like a significant adjustment, but our role is to guide both landlords and tenants through the changes professionally, compliantly and with the right support in place. If you've got any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.